Luck is for leprechauns, and you're not green. I'm gonna say it again. Luck is for leprechauns, and you're not green. I'm not bringing you a fairy tale. What I am telling you is that if you're willing to go beast mode, you can have whatever you want. I'm a living example. You can start from nothing. Start from nothing. You know the story. Mom was a teenage mom. Start with nothing. Grandma had 14 kids. Start with nothing. 2-bedroom house, 1 bathroom. Mom got kicked out because she had me. Start with nothing. Start with nothing. High school dropout. Start with nothing. Homeless. 12 years to get a 4-year degree from the university. Start with nothing. If you are willing to grind.
Yo, what's good, guys? So I got the coupe back in the garage. So today we're just gonna be taking everything out of the car and getting it ready for the whole bottom to get undercoated. So yes sir, but jack it all up, put the wheels on it. If you guys haven't seen it, here it is, the right-hand drive. It's all dirty, but if you guys haven't seen the color, my Instagram. So BMW M4 Austin yellow. Brother Chris did a good ass job on this. This car's not wet sanded or buffed yet, so you guys get the point. And it's dirty. It's been sitting outside in the rain. I do not lie. Look at this. It's all full of shit. It's all dirty. And then for everybody who's gonna ask why the floor is not painted, it's because I'm putting a carpet in here. I have an original EK9 red carpet, and it's in mint condition, so I'm gonna be putting that back on. That is all gonna get taped off right where that seam goes, boom. That's all gonna go trim black. So when all the wiring goes in there, everything looks nice and clean. So that's what we're gonna get to doing today. I'm gonna jack the car up, take the wheels off. I'm gonna pull off the subframe. Subframe has to come off. If you know, put in a K-series. And that requires me to put an EG or a DC subframe. So I already hit up JDM Parts Ohio, and they're gonna be sending me a DC2 right-hand drive subframe. And to be honest, I'm not gonna edit none of this. I don't even care. As high as possible. There is no trouble. I'm going to paint on the bottom. I have space to work under. So that's where we're gonna leave it. That should be high enough for us to bag all this, tape all this nice, get everything on the edge and go nice painted black. So let me turn this down before I get copyrighted. You look at the other hating, but there it is. That's how Jackson is now. Yo, see, this is why I say don't get used to power tools, because ever since I started working at the shop, right, I've been buying nothing but power tools from Snap-on. That's all we use at the shop to make shit quicker, right? So now I'm stuck at home with this ratchet. I haven't used this in who knows how long. So I'm gonna see if this is even worth a shot, because I know I tell you these shits with the Milwaukee, and if you know Milwaukee, nigga, you gotta be a strong motherfucker to break a Milwaukee. Yo, I don't even care about swearing, bro. Honestly, I'm gonna tell you guys right now. I'm doing this YouTube shit just to, like, I don't even know, because I be bored, honestly. I don't chill with nobody no more, so I don't know. I just be in the garage with myself, so fuck it. Why not talk to the phone, right? You know what I'm saying? I mean, my girl be in here sometimes, but, so, you know what I'm saying? All this quarantine shit going on with this COVID-19 bullshit. She ain't around. So, yeah, I'm here lit, talking to myself with his phone and you guys. So, fuck it, right? You know what it is? I ain't even gonna edit this. I don't, like I said, I don't care. If you niggas don't monetize me for swearing, nigga, I don't care. I don't even know. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna be vlogging now. Just, you know what I'm saying? Bare, raw, fucking footage. I don't need none of that editing shit. You know what I'm saying? Woo, you see that, boy? Nah, man, I didn't tell you that. Zip is loose. You know what I'm saying? You see that? You know what I'm saying? We leave him loose. Yeah, we don't tell the toad that, but we leave him loose. That when he comes back to the garage, and we don't got the power tools that I was talking about earlier, you know what I'm saying? You could just, you know what I'm saying? Take him off with the rest of that. Bow. Easy, you know what I'm saying? Nice and easy. Look at that. Bow. Guys, it's been a mission. This little ass ratchet, yo. So we're finally on the last wheel. Alright guys, I got the car on all 4 Jacksons now. Shit's ready to go. There's enough good space under there for me to work comfortable. Kinda looks low through the phone, I don't know why, but it is pretty damn high off the ground. So, be able to work under there nice and comfortable. I'm gonna start masking all this probably tomorrow because it's already getting kind of late. You know what I'm saying? I got the typical 8 to 5 tomorrow morning. So, yes, sir. But as I said, that's how far we get. Got everything out of the car, so the car's all ready to go now. It's all on jack stands, and now it's ready to be assembled. So, this is where the shit gets fun. This is where everything gets expensive. And before anybody points it out, no, that is not disaligned. Well, yeah, it is disaligned, but it's not staying like that. We just put it on so the parts wouldn't be thrown around the shop. So, well, this shit gotta get aligned. But like I said, we'll go little by little. Far from being at that stage. So, when we get to that point, I'll show you guys how to properly gap all your body panels together. And I'm gonna, just stay tuned, like, comment, you know what I'm saying? And if you don't like it, and if you don't want to comment, nigga, don't watch my shit. Like, simple, bro, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, niggas have a blessed day. I'm out this bitch. I'm kind of tired, dog.